वास्कोच्या सांत अँड्र्यू इगर्जेक 450 वर्सां पुराय जाली। ह्या निमतान इगर्जेत आर्च बिशपाच्या मार्गदर्शनान मीस जाले। सांताचे बेसाव घेवपाक वास्कोकारा बरोबर सरभोवतण वाठारांतल्या लोकांनी मिसाक गर्दी केल्ली। RDXGOA खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
It is a very happy occasion that the St. Andrew's Church, a very important religious institution, is completing 450 years, that too in the port town of Vasco. At one time this was the only parish where all the community used to gather, pray and believe in God and do their prayers with so much of religious fervor. The very fact that we have moved 450 years and are moving beyond shows that the Goan people are deeply religious. Whichever religion they may follow, they have deep faith. They follow religion with deep reverence, with full faith in God, and they believe that there is somebody up there looking at us. Therefore they do the right thing. That's why Goans are known as right thinking people, people who do right and who have got a good strong character. It is precisely because of institutions like this, because one must remember, religion, you may follow any religion, but religion gives meaning in life. So once you follow a religion and you follow it with full faith, right things are bound to happen. Institutions like the St. Andrew's Church is celebrating 450 years with the greatest of religious fervor. You have seen the participation of the people from all communities. Ultimately, roads may be different, but destination is one destination to God.
एकदम विशालकायेचो दीस कित्याक आमचे इगोर्जेक 450 वर्सां जातात आनी मावट मेवल्यार लोकांक हे मावटाचे देणे म्हणटो सायज एक विशालकायेन इतलो लोक जालो आमचे इगोर्जेन आनी हे वर्सा एक विशालकाय समारंभाक आमी वरसभर कांय कार्यक्रम करून दवरल्या। एक हेतू म्हळ्यार लोकांक एकठांय करपाचो आनी अदीक करून लोकां मदें इश्टागत भावपण वाडोवपाचो।
Is a great day for the people of Vasco because today St. Andrew's Church celebrates its 450 years, a milestone in the history of the church, and it fills me with special joy to say that I was a part of the school, St. Andrew's School, and this was the church that I came every time and any time I needed some help. I would come to the church to pray to St. Andrew's for guidance. So this is also a very special day for me, and I'm sure St. Andrew's will be showering his blessings upon all of us today on his 450th birthday celebration.
आयज भाग्यवंत आंद्रेची वास्कोची फिरगोस आपल्या 450 वर्साच्या उत्सवाची दोबाजीक उक्तावणी करता। ह्या उत्सवाच्या समयार आमी संतोसता, सगळ्या वास्कोच्या फिरगोसकारांक आमची परबीं दिता। ही उत्सवाची समारंभणी वास्कोचे पवित्र सभेक एक खिरीत देवान दिल्लो सवेक आपलो बावार्थ समारंभ, आपलो बावार्थ खोलावंक आनी खिरीत भाशेन ह्या बावार्थाचो प्रकाश समाजान फांकोवंक। ह्या उत्सवाच्या समयार हे फिरगोशेन एकचार वाडून वेचो आनी ती सगळीं सांगाती बरेपण, शांती आनी प्रिती मोग मोगूंक वावुरची म्हूण हांव आवडेतां। सगळ्यान देवाच्या आशिर्वादान भरलेलो उत्सव हांव आवडेतां।